GlocalMe UniCord User Manual. Product Introduction. How to use. FAQ. UniCord, the world's first 3-in-1 charging cable with built-in CloudSIM Hotspot. Connect to Wi-Fi easily by plugging into a power source. 65-watt powerful high-speed charging. Multi-port support with accessories. UniCord provides internet access by being charged with a power bank, a mobile phone, a computer, plug and play with add-on accessory for USB-A port. You can connect to local networks in 200+ countries and regions anytime. Connect the device to power and access Wi-Fi worldwide. How to use. Step 1. Download and install the GlocalMe app on your mobile phone. Step 2. Create a GlocalMe account. Register and log in to the GlocalMe app. Click to agree to our privacy policy and other pop-ups. Go to Registration Login page. Register using your mobile phone number or email address. Step 3. Link device with GlocalMe app. Open the GlocalMe app and select My Device, then Link Device. Scan the QR code on the device. Step 4. Purchase in-app GlocalMe data plans. Choose a data plan. Restart the device after purchasing. Skip this step if you have already ordered a data plan with your device. Step 5. Power on the device and wait until the Wi-Fi indicator remains lit. Method 1. Connect to a power source using any Type-C interface. Method 2. Connect to an electronic device that supports reverse charging, such as a mobile phone, tablet, or laptop, using any Type-C interface. Step 6. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi name and password on your device. Open your device's wireless network search. Connect to GlocalMe Wi-Fi. FAQ. Why does the Wi-Fi disconnect after unplugging the device? The device will be initialized when unplugged. Please wait until the Wi-Fi indicator is always on before connecting to the hotspot. Why can't I access the internet after inserting UniCord into my phone? Turn on the device and wait for the Wi-Fi indicator to stay on. Method 1. Connect to a USB power source using any Type-C interface. Method 2. Connect to an electronic device that supports reverse charging. UniCord can power and connect to networks through devices that support reverse charging. Make sure your phone or power bank has this feature enabled. If you encounter issues, contact our customer service. Examples of compatible phones include Apple iPhone 15, Samsung Galaxy S23, OnePlus 12, Google Pixel 8, and Xiaomi 13, etc. How to restore the internet feature of UniCord after extended inactivity. If you've used UniCord solely as a charger for a long period without a valid data plan, its internet capability may be disabled. To restore this feature, press the reset button with the pin for 5 seconds to reset to factory settings. Purchase a valid data plan. If the issue persists, please contact our customer service for assistance. Welcome to the GlocalMe life. For any further support, contact our 24/7 customer service team via live chat on our website and mobile app, or through email. GlocalMe. Better connection empowers better life.